Hey, what's going on, everybody? Well, I just got home from vacation, and the video you're about to see is a video I did at my in-laws' house with my Tech Sport Rotisserie and Grill that I got just about a week ago. Well, actually about 3 weeks ago, but it's been raining here at my house every single weekend. In fact, it's about to start raining again. So anyhow, I'm just going to show you guys some highlights of this cook. I want to let you guys know it was picanha 2 ways, but the first official picanha 2 ways I'm going to do is going to be with the cinder blocks and everything else. So just pay attention to this one. The steaks I actually cut them not thinking cutting steaks. I cut them in the size of that you would put onto the spit. And so I kind of made the steaks a little bit too thick. Well, one of them was, perfect size, but the other ones were kind of thick. So anyhow, enjoy this cook. I'm just gonna kind of go through it probably kind of quick and kind of show you guys what I had. And also, once again, if you guys haven't checked out Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria, go check him out. The guy spent a lot of time with the Marine Corps. In fact, I think he's still in the Marine Corps. And he served our country. He's over in Brazil, and he come back with this innate knowledge of Brazilian culture of food. So go check out Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria and tell him Meathead sent you. You know what? And all his videos are really good. Even his kids' soccer videos are awesome. I like watching his kids, so actually I don't watch them. I listen to his kids' soccer videos because he puts really popular music, popular music track on there. So I just put it on the speakers. I just listen to it as I'm driving to work, and that's it. So anyhow, just watch this, and I'll see y'all later. Here at my in-laws' house. I'm on vacation, and I finally got my Tech Sport Rotisserie and Grill set up, as you can see. And like a dummy, I forgot to film cutting up the picanha, but I am going to show you how to season it and also how to put it onto the spit. And hopefully everything goes according to plan. We're going to have ourselves some nice picanha rotisserie and grilled like steak. So stay tuned and let's get started. All right, just got inside, and here's the steaks I won't be doing. This is picanha, nice thick fat cap. These right here are going to be the steaks, and then this is what I'm going to be putting onto the skewer. So I'm going to link my other picanha video to here to show you how to cut the picanha and how to prepare it. But all you got to do is just treat it with just some kosher salt. Need nothing else but just kosher salt. Now this is the heart of the picanha, right here. It's called the coração. That's the heart. That's like one of the most tenderest pieces. That's part of the picanha. Now try not to get the salt onto the fat. Here we go. Now we're cooking with fire. Best thing about my in-laws' house is that they have hickory. They have a hickory tree, pecan tree. They have a mesquite tree, oak tree, and also a pear tree. So I get all the wood that I want. All right, so I'm fixing to try a piece of the heart, which is that piece right there, which is the heart of the picanha. Cut into that right now and eat it. Now I want y'all to ignore the knife that I'm using, Okay, I did not bring my knives. It's not a meathead knife. Yeah. Oh, see it? Focus, focus. Okay. Maybe that fat is good. Yeah. Oh my Lord. All right, I'll be back. Everything's almost done. The ones on a spit right now, they're just now starting to get some heat on them. Can get that skin nice and crispy. I took a log from each side, and I kind of put it on each side of the spit right here, so it gives heat kind of like all around. That's a pretty good move I think I did on my behalf, and I'm about to start carving some of that off. All right, so let's take the picanha off the spit and let's cut some off. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna end it right here. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put the spit back on, put some more salt, just do the same thing, do a rotisserie. Do me a favor, if y'all haven't subscribed, subscribe. Like this video, hit the notifications bell to get more, to get notifications every time I come out with a video. And also, check out Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria, and tell them Meathead sent you. All right, everybody, well, I just finished the cook. And I did notice a couple of things. First off, it took a lot longer to cook than what I expected it to cook. Having it open style, open pit like this, did kind of restrict, you know, the wind was blowing and I really didn't get the heat going that I wanted. So I think my method of putting the cinder blocks around it is really gonna help out. I'm gonna do that probably on my next cook with this, but it'll be back at home. Hopefully I'll have some good weather, because what it's gonna do is gonna channel up that heat to come up and to cook the meat. Anyhow, we had some people here that wanted the meat well done, so it took also a little bit longer than that. A picanha rump cap, or even sirloin rump cap is what they're also called. The temperature that you want to, the prime temperature that you want to have it is about a rare, medium rare, probably no more than a medium. When you get more than a medium, it might toughen up some, but it's still a phenomenal piece of meat that I truly do enjoy, and it is so tasty. Anyhow, I appreciate Red Banks, also known as Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria, for showing me and also talking about and doing this style meat of the Brazilian style. It really was, it really is phenomenal. I'll see y'all next week. Hit the notifications bell, and ciao.